We're making banana pancakes tonight, and boy oh boy, are these a hit with my kids. You take a classic pancake recipe and you add bananas. It is really that simple. Now, we like to add vanilla and cinnamon with ours as well. You can make a variation and you can use buttermilk. We use regular whole milk and they turn out perfectly amazing. I want to eat them all up. They're that good. I absolutely love these as well with a little bit of syrup, a little bit of butter, doing a little dance. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And these babies are golden and perfection. Yum.